Okay, here's our progress on the family room. Oh my word, what a mess. This wall is clear of paneling. And David had to take measurements and sit down and look at the how-to for putting up the drywall to make it the most efficient way. The paneling is still on these other walls. These boxes are here because I'm still packing up stuff. The piano will be going away this weekend, and so everything is discombobulated in here. We're still enjoying some TV, but soon we'll have to take the blinds down, and that really changes things in here because the blinds block out the sun for now, and when they're not up, it's even worse because this room gets so hot, which is one reason why we're having the windows replaced. So there's our progress. You can see he took off all the register covers and all the outlet plates are off, and the paneling is off one wall. Stay tuned, there's more to come.